Hello, beautiful beings. My name is Maya. I'm a therapist, writer, and spiritual teacher. Today, we will focus on an EFT tapping protocol designed to support your weight loss journey. So, what is emotional freedom technique? EFT combines an
Acupressor.
affirmation to release emotional blocks and stress. This is important, which can be key factors in achieving and maintaining a healthy weight. So, what we will do today. Follow along with me, repeating after me as we tap on specific points on the body. Before we start, close your eyes and take a deep breath in and visualize yourself at your ideal weight, feeling healthy, feeling confident, feeling full of energy, and embrace this positive image of yourself. And when you are ready, open your eyes and let's begin. First point, the outer edge of your hand below the pinky finger. So, tapping and repeat after me. Even though I struggle with my weight, I deeply and completely accept myself. Even though I struggle with my weight, I deeply and completely accept myself. Even though I struggle with my weight, I deeply and completely accept myself. The top of your head now. I release all negative thoughts and feelings about my weight. I release all negative thoughts and feelings about my weight. The inner edge of your eyebrows. I choose to feel confident and happy in my body. I choose to feel confident and happy in my body. I choose to feel confident and happy in my body. The side of your eyes. I'm worthy of reaching and maintaining my ideal weight. I'm worthy of reaching and maintaining my ideal weight. Under your eyes, I let go of all stress and emotional eating. I let go of all stress and emotional eating. Now under your nose, I choose healthy habits that support my weight loss. I choose healthy habits that support my weight loss. Don't forget to breathe. Your chin. I deserve to be healthy and fit. I deserve to be healthy and fit. The points in your collarbone. I release all negative patterns and beliefs about my weight. I release all negative patterns and beliefs about my weight. About 4 inches below your armpit, I open myself to positive changes in my diet and lifestyle. I open myself to positive changes in my diet and lifestyle. Once again, the top of your head. I embrace my journey to a healthier weight. I embrace my journey to a healthier weight. I embrace my journey to a healthier weight. The inner edge of your eyebrows. I accept and love myself at every stage of my weight loss journey. I accept and love myself at every stage of my weight loss journey. The side of your eyes. I release all fears and doubts about losing weight. I release all fears and doubts about losing weight. Under your eyes, I choose self-care and healthy eating. I choose self-care and healthy eating. Under your nose, I'm committed to achieving my ideal weight. your chin. I feel so energized and motivated to lose weight. I feel so energized and motivated to lose weight. The points in your collarbone. I welcome healthy changes into my life. I welcome healthy changes into my life. Now, about 4 inches below your armpit, I'm transforming my body and my life. I'm transforming my body and my life. I'm transforming my body and my life. We have completed the tapping session. Tap a little bit on your wrists, then take a deep breath in and out. Feel the positive energy and the changes in your body and your mind also. Repeat this protocol whenever you need motivation or maybe support on your weight loss journey. This will help you. And thank you for tapping with me. I wish you success, health, and happiness. See you in the next episode. Have a lovely day.